Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews. I'm also on Ravelry at Mad X Stitcher, and it is the end of October and the latest Crochet Society box has arrived. So this is this year's Christmas box. It's still in the envelope, so I'm going to quickly rip the seal and show you what we've got. Are you ready for the colour? It's so pink. This is one of the pinkest boxes I have ever seen. So it's got all these squiggly patterns on it, and like they've been drawn with a big fat marker pen. So you've got like snowmen, there's some stockings, there's some trees, that's a snowman. Baubles. So everything on here, like you've got like the curls, the snowflakes, it's all Christmassy themed. So we're going to get it open. You've still got the rose gold details as well. There's not a lot of them, just the odd little bits, but it looks really fun. So we're going to get it open and see what's inside. I can't actually remember who this is curated by, so we're going to find out. So all is bright. It certainly is. The bright pink tissue paper in here. There is a bauble. Let me quickly move my chair over so that you can see it all. Okay, merry and bright. Let's open up this tissue paper, see what we've got. So we have a two-piece bauble, which is clear. So a few years ago we had a little tiny reindeer that had a bauble to put in, so maybe we've got something to fit in there. We have our stuffing, which is always handy to have. Now this yarn is new, and I know this because my local yarn shop stock it. This is called Impressions. It is by Stylecraft and it is Aran weight. But it's got like flecks of different colours in it. So this is called Grand Canal. It is based on Monet's paintings, I believe. So you've got like the flowers from his garden. It's really pretty. And Aran works up nice and quick as well. There's only one ball this month though. So let's see what else we have in the box. So this says earring findings on the bottom. So we'll have a look in the book and see what sort of shapes they are. This one says embroidery thread. So again, we'll see what it says. I'm assuming this would be your safety eyes. They're always in a clean white packet at the moment. We have a Christmassy stitch marker. It is a little Christmas tree. That is just so cute with the different colour baubles. We have our crochet. This is a 5mm and it's got Christmassy coloured spots that match the box. But there's also another hook in here. And this is tiny. 0.75. You can't even see the end of that. I'm assuming then there's a project in here to use the embroidery thread to crochet with. Now I have crocheted with embroidery thread before, but I've used the whole skein of thread. Not looking forward to that, I will say, but it'll be interesting to see what it's for. There's also a tassel maker. We love a good tassel maker. I now have, this is the third one I have now. This one is nice and gold and sparkly. So you can make 3 different sizes. We got one of these in the Advent, I believe, last year. Possibly the year before. But yes, I have 3 now and they're all different colours. So if you really feel like it, you could gift it as well. And we have our pattern book. It's covered in Christmas trees. So it says it is, patterns are by Jenny Conduit, Zoe Patrak and Mary Ringy. So I'm going to put the box down, put everything back in, and we're going to go through the book. Okay, On the back, we have our conversion chart. As always, I call this our little cheat sheet. So it has all the different hook sizes, both in UK size and a US size. And then you have the millimeters as well, because in old money, or that's what they called old money, the sizes used to be different. It used to be in just numbers rather than millimeters. We also have our guide for the stitches, so UK terms and then US terms as well. So that's always handy to have. It's quite a nice thick book this month. So it says, welcome to our festive and joyful Crochet Society box. Hiya, I'm Jenny, and there are 2 very important things that you need to know about me. Firstly, I'm the editor of Crochet Now magazine and have been for around 5 years now, and I simply adore everything to do with crochet, especially amigurumi. Secondly, I love Christmas, so really it wasn't even a question that I got involved with this festive box when I was asked. Okay, so that's Jenny Conduit. Oh, that is so cute! Okay, they are really fiddly. Not sure I'm going to be doing those. Okay, so we actually have 4, technically 5 patterns in this book. We have Prancer the reindeer up here. There is a scarf down here which is called Beneath the Tree. There are some earrings, which I'm assuming is what the embroidery thread is for, and the teeny tiny crochet hook. And then down here we have this really cute little rocking horse. That is going to look absolutely amazing in the bauble. So I think I'm going to be making that. Because it doesn't need a lot of yarn. And I'm hoping I can get the reindeer out of this as well from the one ball. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, so Prancer the reindeer is designed by Jenny Conduit, who is the geeky knitter on Instagram. And he's got details on his belly as well. I like him. I really like him. Okay, what else do we have? Oh! I've got a ball of yarn missing. I only have 1 ball of yarn, and it says in the book that we should have 2 balls. So I'll email them. Anyway, this is everything we get in this month's box. So 2 balls of Stylecraft Impressions in Grand Canal. We have a tassel maker. We have hooks, the bauble, stuffing. You've got all the little bits to make the earrings, and we have our stitch marker. So the earrings are designed by Zoe Petrack. There is a granny square, and there is a little Christmas wreath. So they're going to be really cute, but I'm not sure I want to work with a 0.75 hook. Yeah. But we have all the bits in the box that we can make them with. Then we have information on the new yarn from Stylecraft. So you've got all these lovely different colours. And it looks really nice made up as well. Then we have the little rocking horse, which is also by Jenny Conduit. He is really cute. I'm definitely making him. And he uses the embroidery thread as well to make his mane and tail. So you are using both types of yarn. And there is a picture there of him in the bauble. So next up is the Beneath the Tree scarf, which is designed by Mary Renji. There we go. So it looks like little Christmas trees. There is info in here on how to make terrific tassels. And then we have the Your Makes page. So we've got the cowl from box 42. There is the hexagon blanket from 42. A moon, no, not a moon, a sun and rainbow, also from box 42. Norbert and Noddy from one of the other boxes. I'm not sure which box though, it doesn't tell me. And then there is a blanket from the box that had the variegated confection DK yarn. There is a cushion from box 42, another blanket from 42, a reversible cushion. So I've done this one. It's the coffee bean cushion from box 32. And then this one, she says, I went rogue with the Love Blossoms bag. I love this because it's really inspirational to see everybody's making and what they're doing, if they're doing something different with the yarn as well. Oh, there's another pattern in here. This pattern I have seen in one of the crochet magazines. I think it's in the Crochet Now one. And it is called the Bauble and Chic cardigan, which is designed by Lauren Willis, who is Manatee Squares. Let's see if I can show you. So it's got all these colourful bobbles and a diamond pattern in the filet crochet technique. And then we have, oh, that's pretty. That's very posh. And then we have a sneak peek of the next box, which I think will be coming in January. Yeah. So that is our Crochet Society box for November. This is our Christmas one. So let's have a quick show of everything that's in the box. Like I said, it says we'll get 2 balls of yarn. I've only got 1, so I will get in touch with them. And we'll see how fast that is. But this is everything you get in this month's box. And as always, I'm not sponsored, affiliated, or any of that. I just get the subscription and like to show you my reaction to opening the boxes and the patterns that we get as well. So there are other boxes out there. There is a Curate box. There is a Knit Crate box. There's a new crochet one out. There's also the Little Box of Crochet is back. There are paper boxes out there, so Paper Gang, and there's also Geek Crates out there as well. So there is something for everyone if you wanted to try a subscription type product. I have also started subscribing to one of the Toft subscriptions, so look forward to seeing more of those. Anyway, this is this month's Crochet Society box 45. I think it's 45. Yeah, I look forward to making up those 2 projects that I've got my eyes on. And if you want to get your hands on one, head over to the Crochet Society website. If they have any spares, they'll go into the shop there. So thank you for watching this unboxing, and I'll see you again next time. Take care. Bye.